No one really sees how things begin. It's not planned, not perfect. It just starts. And that is exactly how this did too. Some journeys don't begin with a big moment. They begin quietly, with a thought, an idea, a small group of people willing to try. 1 year ago, 6 of us came together, not knowing that this would not just be a club. It would become a responsibility, a challenge, and eventually a story worth telling.
President. Oh, hi. I'm Hital Mehta, President of Book Reading Club. And if you ask me about this year was not just about holding a position. It was about taking responsibility when things went wrong, making decisions when no one was sure about, and pushing forward even when I was not sure about myself. Leadership didn't felt like power, it felt like pressure, a pressure that made me stronger.
Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Sonar, the Vice President of Club. If something looks smoother from outside, trust me, it is not like that always. Behind the scenes, from managing budget, registration planning, it meant constantly thinking ahead and fixing them before they fell apart. This year did not just teach me management, it taught me to control in chaos.
Hey, I am Aditya Kandikari, creative head of the club. At first, I thought my role was just to design things, but later it turned into solving problems which I never expected. You know what? A simple idea can turn into something which people will remember. Every design, every idea has to connect, has to stand out, and that challenge pushed my creativity beyond limits.
Hi, I'm Vidhi Solanki, the spokesperson of the club. Standing on stage is one thing, but helping someone else stand there when they are scared, that is something different. This year, I did not just find my voice, I helped others find theirs too. Hello, I'm Aboli Kulkarni, the content lead. My role was shaping about what to put on, whether it's event details, posters, or anything related to it. It didn't matter, every message reached the right audience. Every idea was clear and every moment we recreated was represented the right way. Hello, my name is Tarita Mani. I'm catalyst of the club. My role, making sure people did not just attend, but felt something. Getting participation is not easy, but when people start enjoying, connecting, that's when you know it's working.
We did not just sit and read. We celebrated, we spoke, we created, we laughed. We pushed people forward.
When we spoke on stage during these events, it was not about memorizing these lines. It was about feeling every word of it.
So we made sure they don't just listen, instead we visually presented those ideas in a way in which people will remember, and that was the real challenge.
And that's when events stopped being formalities and instead they started becoming experiences.
We saw people who were scared to even come forward, and we know so was I.
And we work with them step by step by helping them.
And when they finally spoke, even for a few seconds, that moment, that confidence, it felt so real.
And that's when we realized we were not just running a club, we were creating a change.
Some of our best moments made absolutely no sense.
And those moments, that's what made us a team. Because when people enjoy, they open up. And when they open up, they grow.
Every month we come back to writing, to reflecting.
It kept us grounded, reminded us why we started.
And it wasn't just about reading books, but it was about how we think. This year made me stronger than I expected.
It made me more responsible than I could be.
It pushed my creativity beyond comfort.
It gave me confidence I didn't know I had. It taught me to capture meaning in moments. It showed me how powerful real connection is.
For giving us the opportunity to create, to lead, and to grow, and for trusting us with a platform where we could truly make a difference. For your encouragement, your constant support, and for reminding us that every effort matters even when it feels small. For every time you pushed us, even when we did not realize we needed it. For the scoldings that made us more responsible and the appreciation that made it all worth it. You did not just guide our work, you shaped how we handled things, how we improved, and how we grew.
Started as 6 people
With goals.
with responsibilities, with doubts, with ideas.
But we built something real.
This is our journey. This is BRC.